Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Thursday, 5 June from Paris. We're sponsored by MaxLight, energy efficient products for over 30 years. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. And Kustner joined the Lighting Matters podcast to expose the myth of lifetime LEDs, urging maintainable lighting design that lasts decades, not just years, by focusing on serviceability, spare parts, and realistic life cycles. Don't miss Light Design Expo 2025 in 1 week on 12 June at Pier 27 in San Francisco, Northern California's top architectural lighting event. Enjoy 150 plus exhibitors, free accredited seminars, gourmet food trucks, and waterfront views. Optique Lighting's Perifina Wall Reveal is a recessed mud-in-wall cove luminaire, now available in 3-inch and 4-inch sizes, offering seamless corner transitions, customizable links, high CRI, and a paintable finish for smooth architectural integration. Learn more at designinglighting.com. And yesterday the Dow dropped 92 points, NASDAQ was up 62, Orion lost 11% on heavy trading. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.